loves me. Yes, Jesus loves me. The Bible tells me so.
Alright, so as you can see, this recipe yields for 12 uneven cupcakes. And we have here our first 3/4 of a cup of spelt flour. And we have our second cup. And my son was a big help. And now next we're going to have a ripe banana. My son doing an amazing job here cutting the banana as he's gonna mix it into the food processor along with the pecans. So we have here 3/4 of a cup of pecans. I'm gonna put that in there. You could use a blender as well. So while my son is doing that, I'm going to take out my coriander. So we have here the coriander is right there. And on this, you could put 2 tablespoons of coriander. 1 to 2, that's fine for this recipe. Alright, and we have our second tablespoon. Son working hard and mixing that banana with the pecans. My son loves pecans. He loves nuts in general. He makes a tasty burger as well. If you're making homemade burgers, pecans is amazing. You can make pecan burgers with chickpeas. So we have here our carrot powder. And we're going to add our tablespoon of carrot powder. 1 full tablespoon. You can add more if you'd like, to your liking. But for this recipe, we're using 1. Now, my son is pouring the mixture of the pecans and bananas into the batter. This is a great way to get children involved in baking. I remember someone was asking for, he wanted some cupcakes, so I said, okay, let's do that. So here's adding first cup of water. This recipe yields 2 cups of water, but you go according to the texture desired. You want it like a pudding texture. Not too thick, not too watery. So my son is stirring it with the spatula. He is a great helper, let me tell you. So while he's doing that, I'm just slightly greasing the pans with olive oil, cold pressed olive oil, extra virgin. And there you have it. So now we're going to add the batter into all 12. This is an amazing pan you can use even to make burgers with, muffins, And there you have it. 20 minutes later, as you can see. There you go. Very simple, straightforward, and my son's taking it out, and there you have it. Makes a nice, tasty breakfast meal. God bless. Bye for now.